Did you hear those? You never heard it. Oh, you just got out of the oil.
We don't need no education.
Okay, get it wet again.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, it's wet sanding.
We don't need no thought control. No dark sarcasm in the classroom.
It's Ted. We'll get to the end of the video.
Teacher, leave them kids alone. Hey! Teacher, leave them kids alone.
Up and down. Keep going.
All in all, it's just another brick in the wall.
This is Ethan Zane, age 4.5.
All in all, you're just another brick in the wall.
Okay, here, up this down a little bit. See him? He's good at it. Yeah.